Hi guys, my name is Shuffle and this is our world. Today we will be going to the Duxford airshow to see what we can do there. Hope you enjoy.
Showcasing the operational capabilities.
ওটা ধরে থাকি নাহলে ভিজে যাবে ভাই, আমি ওটা ধরে থাকি নাহলে ভিজে যাবে তো। আরে সমস্যা নেই, ভালো।
together for the 2025 Chinook Roll demonstration. Paul, thank you very much indeed. Great to see you back in Duxford. All good things must come to an end, folks, so to end the show today, like any performer, you will see a bow from the cockpit and the crew flash their lights. And then you get to watch the incredible boarding fly. This was named after the base in Bosnia where the Chinook demonstrated its incredible power, dominating other helicopters on the helicopter.
Southern Combat Air Transport Service of the US Marine Corps also flew vital daily services in the Solomon Islands, operating to Henderson Field on
It is windy today, so there'll be a little bit of something coffee up there for them.
Sure, actually you're excited.
Oh, it does, very much so. That's ours as well. Dave has been with us for 16 years now. He's got a little go. And into the dive. And then here's the pool, that's where they'll be getting 4G. And that's where they'll be hitting about 160 miles per hour.
Wow.
At the top, they'll go completely weightless, and that's an absolutely fantastic feeling, that top piece.
I'm sure it is. I think I'd be seeing my breakfast again if I was doing it.
I think the sound of our engines are pretty... Mike is watching Dave, making sure he's so close as possible. Have them in handstand once again. Should look in the middle like they're high-fiving each other as they go past. And there we go, that's them coming in for the rejoin. And you think, what on earth are you doing? And hitting the card, do a hand signal for 5 minutes, 2 minutes. It might be a sign for no loop or get down or anything like that. We also have a little mirror in the cockpit when we do climb up. And that's how we communicate. This is the new move for this year. This is very exciting. So this used to be what we call the B brake. This is now the B brake half. So here they are. This is the move called the Steve. They're in. This is named after one of our pilots. So what they'll do, they'll pull forward and then brake up. And the crossover at the top there. Smoke on to create our lovely heart. So this is the first show, I believe, this year that they started doing that heart manoeuvre. They've been practicing it all winter. And when they cross back over, they both swivel back out there. Pulling 4G at the bottom, and when you're upside down pulling 4G, that's a lot on your head, essentially. And there we go, now they are the right way up and completely weightless. And that beautiful sound of the engine once again.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel like we're flying when we're up there.
Yeah.
So it can be fun.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and comment if you want to see more videos from us. Thank you and goodbye.